Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook egg half-boiled. First, select fresh eggs, ideally at room temperature. Grab a small pot and fill it with enough water to completely submerge your eggs. Bring that water to a vigorous, rolling boil. Once it's bubbling nicely, carefully lower your eggs into the boiling water using a slotted spoon to prevent cracking. This initial step is crucial for a perfect half-boiled egg. Now for the most critical part, timing. For that classic runny, half-boiled yolk, cook your eggs for precisely 5 to 6 minutes. If you prefer a slightly firmer, jammy consistency, extend the cooking time to 7 minutes. It's important to maintain a consistent, gentle boil, not a violent one, throughout this period. Remember, precision here makes all the difference for your desired yolk texture. Once your eggs are perfectly cooked, it's time for the ice bath. Immediately transfer them from the hot water into a bowl of ice water. This stops the cooking process instantly and helps prevent that green ring around the yolk. Let them cool for at least 2 minutes. To peel, gently tap and roll the egg on a hard surface, then peel under cold running water. This makes the shells slide right off. Now for the best part, enjoying your perfectly half-boiled eggs. Serve them immediately with a simple sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper. They are absolutely delicious with buttered toast points, making for a classic and satisfying breakfast. You can also elevate your salads by adding a half-boiled egg for extra protein and a rich, creamy texture. A garnish of fresh chopped chives or parsley adds a lovely touch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.